Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today, we're fixing the biggest problem that I have on my E39, and it causes it to drive absolutely terribly. In this package here, I have a new drive shaft with a good U-joint. We're going to replace the center support bearing and the flex disc, because mine are cooked, and it drives so terribly. Got it all loaded in the mismatch interior. Now I gotta play musical cars again. Having to move my BMW out of the way to get my other BMW out is such a first world problem. Yeah, I'm kind of a trailblazer. I mean, what can I say? Oh my god, dude, this road is fucked. Oh my god. Oh. What is this road, bruh? Honda
it's funny because it's like the exact same size as the old one.
There it goes.
Yeah.
This thing is fucking huge, bruh. Jesus.
Maybe it is a BMW.
Yeah, I know. It's gonna start it with no fucking exhaust. It's in gear, by the way. Oh my god. Bruh. Give it a tab, give it a tab. Holy shit. No, that's fucking ridiculous. Oh god, yeah, you're good. Bro, this bitch chopping. This bitch chopping. Yeah, man, this is no more of that.
Car start rolling.
That'd be not ideal. My camera's dirty.
We'll put these goddamn drive shaft bolts on. Jesus Christ.
Yeah, I got the easy job, didn't I? We got this Johnny greased. I got a lot of progress done today, but I don't have to come back tomorrow, fortunately, and get her done. Just trying to get the old center support bearing off is being a bitch. Okay, it's the next day, next evening. Going back over to Bro's house to work on the E39. Finish it up, hopefully. All right. All right, thanks. Back at it. Just gonna clean that shit up, put it all back on.
Dude, this thing's still dripping.
I know, dude. Oh yeah, clean that bitch up. Oh yeah. That's nice. Okay, now I can't breathe. Oh yeah, that's a drive shaft. Nice. Got that greased up, going back in. Putting all these shields back on. New center support bearing. New flex disc. Looking good. Everything's greased up and looking nice. Oh yeah. Grass and the
Country living.
Alright, let's see.
You just
Oh,
catch it on fire real fast.
Let's see. Let's do a grand reveal. Oh my gosh. Sandy O2 sensors. That's pretty sick.
Makes them work better. Bunch of 8s.
Yeah, this is a job well done though.
Who thought 8s were a good fucking idea?
Germany.
10s.
Mm-hmm. Very, very cool. Very, very cool. Alright, I'm gonna give it a little drive tomorrow. See how it feels. Hopefully it feels good. It feels like shit beforehand. Alright, we're done for the night. Gonna come back in the morning, grab the car, because obviously I came in the E92. So yeah, we'll see how it drives. Hopefully really good, because it's been driving like shit since damn near the day I got it. Alright, she's running and driving. I just gotta clear that code right there from the cats being fucking disconnected. P0103. Oh, 8 codes? Fuck yeah, let's just get rid of all those. We don't need them shits. We gotta push this fucking thing on the lift now. This is not gonna be fun, but I'm so stoked. So stoked. Alright, first initial thoughts. It feels so much smoother. The lack of grease in the U-joint was really bad. It was really fucking it up. But it feels smooth now. I'm gonna go give it a little rip right now, obviously, to see how it does. But fuck yeah, dude. That was like the worst thing that this car was suffering from. Not gonna deal with the suspension because, yeah, you can hear that. The coilovers are not very good. This feels so good now, guys. Like, seriously. I love it. It was worth the work. I've literally been meaning to do this since I got the car almost. It was bad. Now that I have the 335 though, I don't think I'm gonna beat on this car as much. I think it's just gonna be like the nice cars and coffee cruiser, you know. You know what I'm saying? Oh yeah, see, we're in a DCT now. This is fucking sick. All right, we're back home. The car's all in one piece. I'm gonna give these both a little wash now because they're fucking both dirty. The only thing I noticed is there's a bit of vibration on this. I don't know if that was something I did or it's just the fact that I used fucking eBay parts like an idiot. But we'll see. We'll see how it holds up. Seems to drive better though, regardless. It's kind of nice. Today we're going to a little supercar meet. As you can see, we're gonna take the E39. Going on a little cruise right now. See a bunch of cars.
Grills. Put it above.
Hella cars. Dude, hella BMWs. Reporting live from Concord d'Elegance, Avila Beach. Damn. He's getting the coldest air. Bruh. Mm-hmm. We in the show. Let's go. Bro, what is that? Oh my god.
It's the
James Bond movie car.
fucking hentai mobile next to him.
Bro, I didn't even
That's
notice
awesome.
that.
car, I'd be going for rear tires. Like,
I know. Dude, these are the same tires.
I've been saving.
Yeah, that's what I need.
Oh, yeah. Change your tires.
Show is over. I don't know what we're doing next. We'll tune in when we do something next. Today we got to reinvestigate the center support bearing with the new one I got from FCP Euro, and we're gonna take a look around because, as you heard in the last couple clips ago, it sounded like something's just loose in there and messed up, and I figured the eBay parts probably just aren't it. So we're gonna do some investigating and get the 540 back on the road hopefully soon because it's been a while. Okay, this thing hasn't started in a week. Let's hear that. Oh my God. That thing looks sick in the rear view, I'm not gonna lie. But yeah, now we get to finally fix this fucking thing. Oh, we outside at the 7-Eleven. Yes, sir. Yeah, we're gonna do the center support bearing right now. We're putting on, I got one from FCP Euro. I took off the one, I'm gonna take off the one from eBay. And it just sounds like something's loose in there. So we just gotta take another good look in there. See what's going on. Damn it, what the fuck is wrong with this car?
She did not like you driving it over here.
Nah. Oh, that's our fucking problem right there, dude. That thing is cooked.
Yeah.
Well, that might just be a byproduct of the vibration.
Yeah,
Oh,
that's
maybe,
it.
yeah.
The lift lizard? What y'all know about the lift lizard?
He sees me.
He definitely sees me. Alright, so it's leaking coolant, power steering fluid, oil, and trans fluid. Actually, it's a solid ship.
I think so.
She'll make it to Monterey this year.
Let's
Let's pour
get
it.
this new coat.
Oh, sweet. Just in time for the summer.
Yeah.
Alright, let's investigate this thing. Oh my God.
It's got a long slong now.
Bro, this thing got fucked up. Oh my gosh. I barely even drove it.
Dude, your car's happy to see you.
Oh wow. This fucking... Oh my God.
I don't know why we thought that was a good one.
I don't either. Yeah, I think this is our problem right here. Yeah,
Okay, now
Look at all that.
which
Let me see
fucking
it.
way do I put it on?
that's a great question. Let me see. Dude, this is solid rock fucking
And then we got
solid. Okay, we got this new one in. Now we gotta wait for this flex disc to come in because that one's cooked wherever it's at. I don't even know where we put it. Yeah, this one. This one's fucked. And that's not even it. Anyways, yeah. So we're gonna come back to this. I got you this though. Here you go.
Thanks, man.
Yeah, you needed that, right?
I did.
Okay, cool. Where's that? Oh, there it is. Oh, fuck no. Dude, this camera is crazy. I can see every bee. Look at this.
Oh my god.
Oh my gosh. Dude, that one can't even see. There's fucking hair in his face. Oh my god. Dude, they're just running by the car.
Dude, that's so exciting.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Alright, so that's the update so far on the 540. Just waiting on parts now for which is the flex disc. So yeah. Okay, it's about a week later from when we were last working on the car. Our overnight parts from Japan showed up. Got the new flex disc. So now we're gonna head over in a minute and we're gonna go finish her up over at our friend's house. So yeah, and I can already tell this is so much heavier and more durable than that eBay junk that I got. Yeah, get that bullshit out of here. No more eBay junk. We're gonna do this the right way this time with the right procedure. Check it out. All back together. I'm stoked. Now we get a real test drive. See how it feels with good, genuine parts. Always look so funny. First start. I don't even get to enjoy the first drive. It's okay. I'm in the mom whip right now, so look at her. She's back on the road, guys. It's been like a month, over a month, like 2 months almost. She's been kind of fucked up. But now I gotta figure out this coolant leak. Well, folks, here she is in all her glory, finally back home. I'm gonna drive it around the block, you know, stretch her legs a bit, give her a nice little wash, because she's been sitting for quite some time now. Get a little start. It's just a little low. I gotta figure that out, probably in next video. Man, I love this car. It needs a lot of work though. The alignment's fucked. all these stupid. Nothing serious though. Feels so much smoother though with the new stuff. Oh yeah. Such a good day too. It's so beautiful out here. We also spawned in a new code, so that's fun. I think it's something O2 related that it popped up a few times already. Overall, this car kind of needs a lot of work overall. So thank God I have the 335 because, you know, it drives better than this right now. But yeah, I'm gonna clean up the car and give it a little wash. Do a quick little cinematic, and that'll be the end of the video. So if you guys enjoyed the video, appreciate you guys watching. Stick around for the next one. I got a few videos in the works. I've just haven't been able to finish any of them, but it's all good. So anyways, yeah, thank you guys.
The walls, they could say you're just another